Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Thought I'd bring you a video. Epic hot today. Yeah, epic hot. Let's bring you down here and show you. Sorry guys. No, right out here it's oh, come on, camera. Focus. And it's just a little above 100. Looks like 102 or something. 10. I don't know what the. Looks like 105. Because the little. Yeah. Little notches are 5 degrees. Anywho, or somewhere in there. Anyway, get you to the point, guys. I threw a little paint on the motor. Not done yet. I used engine paint. Yep. Next thing I did is I got some Gorilla brand. It's called, it's made for Fenders and stuff. It's made by Gorilla Glue. I threw the package away. Sorry guys. I'm gonna have to get another package, and if it works, I'll bring it to you. If it doesn't, we'll scrub it off and we'll do something else. But so far, it's holding up. It's holding up. It's actually drying pretty darn good. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll let that roll. Still runs all right. I gotta tackle that headlight. I don't know if I'm gonna put a stock one in there. They offer an LED substitute for that. I don't know. Next thing is, haven't worked on the front of this yet. I wanted to get these fenders fixed first. What else did I did? Oh, I ordered all the cables. Not ordered them. I'm working on the front cables to try to resolve the issue of them being stiff. I did order a new reverse cable because it was only 14 bucks. Back brake cable already installed and works awesome. What else? I got a lazy fender on the back. I noticed. This is epic lazy. So I gotta fix that. That's about it, guys, for now. It's been too hot to work on too much. Yeah, it's just been too hot. Yeah. See if we can get you back in here. You guys tell me what that is. Pretty epic either way. God bless you guys in Texas. I'm really serious when I say that. Yeah. You guys are about to get some heat as well. And flooding has been epic. Bless you guys. Hope your state heals very quickly. God bless y'all. Thumbs up. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.